আসসালামু আলাইকুম সবাই, কেমন আছেন সবাই? আশা করি খুবই ভালো আছেন এবং সুস্থ আছেন। তো আজকে একটা সেকেন্ড, সো সরি। মাউন্টেন ডিউ ডায়েট যারা পছন্দ করেন সোডা, তাদের জন্য বলছি এটা খুব একটা ভালো জিনিস নয়। তবে ডাইজেস্ট করতে সাহায্য করে এটা এবং তেঁতুলের শরবত। আমি তো তেঁতুলের শরবতটাই খাই, এটাও মাঝে মাঝে খাই। এনিওয়ে, একটু ভাল লাগে খাইতে। আহ, আচ্ছা, তাহলে আমরা ফাংশনের ভিতরে এখানে কিন্তু অনেকগুলো ফাংশন আছে। replace function, then find function, then count function, then capitalize functions, তারপরে আরো আছে। ঠিক আছে। আহ, তো আরেকটা যেমন কি ফাংশন আছে আমি ওটা ভুলে গেছি। ও ইয়েস, ends with function। ঠিক আছে। তো এটা সাধারণত সবসময় চলে আসে, তো আমি একটা ভেরিয়েবল তৈরি করি। ভেরিয়েবল ইজ ইকুয়াল টু, মনে করো আমরা আছি হচ্ছে, hey, this is the varieties of functions or function varieties of functions. Okay, so then we're gonna go for variable, or then we just go with the dot. If we go with the find function, or ends with, for example, ends with, if the statement has kind of, uh, because you already know about this statement. So if it is ONS, this, or if you go with the variable for answer, and then you go for for example, D or THE. So for this part it, it should print something like this, and then after that you do the okay, and then you just go with this part, and again true. Organizing for this particular thing, so save it. So it should show you nothing. So it should show you nothing. So you shouldn't have to do this statements like this. Oh, let me go with this and then. Okay, just go with this. And this IONS. Last three part. Remember, we have to go with the last three words, three alphabets, actually, not the words. So if we go with this, let me go save and like me this. So see, it shows true and false. Let me see. So tree, this tree, all this part also regarding resembles with these three words. So it has to be this tree. Today's separate. And now, so after today's video, you found true and false, which is this part. True, this is true part for sure because this is ends with what? ONS. You just checking for any statement which is showing with this ends with function. Ends with function. And ends with function, if we go with the D, is there anything here regarding to D? Nothing. So it will be false. So then this is the ends with function we found, and now we're gonna go with the capitalized function. So for example, now the capitalized functions, and then you just go with the print, and what is your variable, which is var dot capitalize. Then if you go with the capitalized with which thing, basically. So basically, you want to go with the capitalized. For example, this one is small cap, so it's gonna show you the capitalized thing. HEY would be the capitalized. So let me see. HEY is a capital H after this, so it'll be pretty awesome. It's a very basic, but it's also a little bit of. Uh, Let me tell you one thing. String manipulation itself is a very strong components for Python developing. So it is pretty much sometimes easy, sometimes it's not really. Okay. So okay. So then we can go for count. Count functions. Count functions. Then we go for the count functions. Then you just do a semicolon. I mean colon, not the semicolon. So let's go with the count function things. So okay, so you have the same variable and count. So let me see the what is the variable. Hey, this I so many i's, and o, you can go with the o. Then you're gonna go with the um, count, which is I. Okay, then you're gonna go with the var dot count. So I'm just giving you some b, and also you can go with the random. So like you go to unified. Do you have any words named unified or something in this whole statement? Nothing, right? So let me see what it prints. So control save and see 2510. So 2 is what? Let me show you. 2 is basically O. How many O's in this whole statement? 2. Here is O, 1, and here is on the functions 1, 2. So altogether 2. So how many i's it has been printed? 5. So let me go with this functions. I it said 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Python is pretty much already organized, so you don't have to. So let me go with the word unified. Is there any word named unified? Nothing. Nothing in this whole statement, anything like unified, the word, there's nothing. So it has to be 0. And 1, it shows the word. So can we find the statement here for the? It's only one the. So you can see only one digit. So this count function, or when we'll be going with the next function, which is find functions, are basically used for cybersecurity and ethical hacking stuff. So somebody said that what is regarding to Python and any programming language regarding to cybersecurity or ethical hacking. It is pretty much very much on point. If you don't know how to do ethical hacking, so do study, then you'll see it. Okay, so and also for the programmer, definitely Python is the best language for starting, even though advanced level. So Python has QE, Python has Django developing through Python, PyTorch through Python. So everyone can only develop until OOP or polymorphism or any other advanced level, but I think they need to have so many other versions of the Python dictionary versions. Those are pretty much harder parts, so you better be careful of when you say something about Python. That Python is very easy. Yes, comparing to C++, comparing to Java, it is pretty much easiest language to catch up with the introductory, like until OOP, also OOP until I would say the more other functions, so many other parts, layers. So it's nothing to memorize anything, but you gotta know the skills. That's the thing. Okay, so we're gonna go for find functions. So var dot find. If you go the particular word, the word will show you what number or what is the index number of that. For example, okay, so let me make another variable there for find functions equals. So you made a variable University of Buffalo, or UB is very much good at AI and robotics. Then you go for another particular thing, or you can go so many other lines. So many students are doing masters in robotics and AI org through UB. Okay, so you just made a statement here. You just made a statement here, so you can go the find of the capital O. If you go with the capital O, and you must be looking at this also there for functions dot find O. You don't need the verify ver or find some O, for example, robotics. So it will show you the index number. What would be the index number for that file? So if you just control save and run it, so after find functions, you can see 56, 57. So why is it 56 and 57? Let me see. Let me show you. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry about this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is also counting 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So it shows 56 for the O, 56 for which one? O. So that means this is the index number 56 and 57, 58. Why is it whole robotics? It's printing as 57. Why is it not showing the whole thing as particular thing? Like, so until this is 50, 51, 52, 53, 51, 52, 53, 54, 52, 53, 55, 56, 57. Why is it showing 57 instead of 50? Okay, let's go again. Okay, so it is basically showing 56, the whole robotics showing 56. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 30, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. It is 56. It is 56. 56 is a robotics. But when it goes 56, 57, 55, 50, 55, 56, 56 is a robotics, and when it goes with the capital O, it choose the first O, which is 57, not the second O, because so the when it will come with the counting for the finding for the specific alphabet on the whole file or whole statement, it will come exactly the first one, not the second one, not the second one. And also I also mentioned into this particular file here exactly how it was robotics in the cap, but you can see the whole thing also second word robotics into the different things. So let me go with the second one, which is trained, and after that what is more for functions dot find, then robotics, that will come with definitely the different. And if we go with the like second robotics and just make it pretty much into a word, but it won't oh into find functions it won't work like that. Okay, so you just go with the robotics and you just save it, and 104, which is the second word. This is 104th position for the index, and that's how it is. So what else? Replace. We just I think did the replace also. No, we didn't do the replace. So let me try with the replace things. So for example, var for finding functions or dot replace. Replace, if we go with the first word, which is university, and the replace part would be university. And if you save it, so it also concatenate with the old version and new version. So it has to be going with the University of Buffalo and this. Wow, it didn't. University of Buffalo or UB. Okay, so let me see. Replace or what? Okay, let me try with this thing. And, and, and new for the variable dot replace. First word is pay, and second word you make it Ola, and save it. Save it. Let me see if it works. Ola, this is Ola is working. So if it is Ola is working, I don't know why is it not working. Uh, Variable for functions replace. Everything is perfect. I don't know why it didn't work. Let me try this again. Hmm. Replace university or probably I don't know. Let me see. Um, some unknown caller is calling me. University and second word would be university. Think more around this. This is basically a replace function. I hope it is working. Let me see again. It is not working. Why is it not working? I'm not sure. Da, 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 da. Control S. Oh, that is the problem. That is the problem. See, what is the problem? It's missing in my statement. Uni. I made the first old version is uni, but in the main variable statement, there is no uni. That's why it could not recognize. There is nothing wrong with the Python. So now you can go with this. University. Okay. So always make sure everything is working. University. What the heck? It's not still working. Na 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 na. University. University. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, let me go with this. Probably something is wrong. Sometimes Python is like this. And uh, functions dot replace. What is the variable name? Is there, and the old thing is university, and the new thing is u university. What is wrong with here? There's nothing wrong. Here, university, it did. So, you know, Python's, it's pretty much complicated sometimes. It is fine. So there you go. So these are the functions we're gonna be using for finding particular things. So what is the usage of this kind of thing? So we're gonna go with some conditions probably, so that we can find it what is really going on. For example, user 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 name equals and put find the words in the verb or find functions if user name equals mm, if this one prints like this, like var dot. Mhm. Can it go like this or not? I'm just checking if it is working. For example, this. Now this is the final final verification. Okay, you just make the final verification. So if it is equal to final verification, verification, what is the final verification on here? Is there any problem? This is a huge problem here. You can't do this like this, but you can do definitely like this. And final verification. So now if it is final verification, print final verification, false. Mm, and it didn't recognize. It didn't recognize of this final verification. Find the words into final verification. Yeah, verification. Then print. So what would be the final verification? Find the words in the final verification. If the final verification goes with this username, yeah. So that means print true. Hmm. So here you are not basically doing any inbuilt things. So this has to be like this. Final verification and the word has to be universal. Okay, you can go with this. But did you do anything? Okay, we didn't do any uh, function f string, so you don't have to be worried about that. And that is true. Else, uh, find the solution is, then you go for again and your name, find the words there for find functions statement. Okay, so these are the stuff. Uh, so if again you go with the, so you can go again and again, again. So you can go as many as you want to. And then you just go with this. Copy. I don't know what is it. So it has to be if, and after that, if, no, you did the wrong information. Then just go with until the whole thing. You probably get the whole shit. Control V. Okay. So I'm just checking it. I'm not making any softwares right now. So find the words statement for probably, okay. This is the problem here. S- you didn't separate the whole thing. Statement, statement, statement. You separate this statement. What is it? University. So if it is this, then it said find the solution. If it is, it's again showing find the solution. So did it been printed final verification? So for the final verification thing, did it go to university? So it has to be the whole thing. It has to be the whole thing, uh, not only the university. It has to be the whole thing. Final verification, we found what? The whole thing, not the see, print final verification. What is the final verification after this? So the whole statement. So that's what it is messing a little bit. Other than that, it is fine. So that's how it is. So we can use this particular things, this function, this limited functions into so many other parts, so that conditions for OOP, so it can basically recognize what is going on that particular things. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and thank you so much for your time. And please subscribe my channel and like and share and comment on it. Thank you so much.